Hey, Walter Van Dusen with ProFusion 2025, and one of the big announcements at the show that I've witnessed is the new Ninja TX GO, which is a companion to the uh, Ninja TX. And let's hear more about it. And who is speaking to today, John?
Yeah, Walter, thanks for coming by again. I'm John Restivo from Atomos. Yeah, so the TX GO, we just announced it yesterday. So this is the ultimate monitor recorder for HDMI cameras only, right? So you have an FX3, FX30, any HDMI camera will go to this. There is camera controls over USB-C, just like the Ninja TX. It does not do SDI, so again, HDMI only. What's cool is like the TX, all the codecs are pre-installed. So ProRes RAW, H.265. It does camera to cloud, to Atomosphere, Frame IO. We can do streaming. It does NDI. I mean, everything is built into the monitor, Walter. So if you need something, this monitor most likely does it. Back to camera controls again. Camera controls come as a firmware update, and on our website you can go and you can see all the different cameras. That there's actually too many to name right here. So look on the website to see what camera is supported with camera
I
controls.
did remember at NEB FX30 was one of the cameras that was working with the Shinobi 2, the Shinobi 7-inch. But on the website, always up. Actually, while I was in Toronto, I updated what I'm using to latest firmware. So they're always updating the firmware.
Yeah.
Camera control is gonna be extremely helpful for like if you're doing FX3, FX30, A7R5 maybe. But having the Atomos system all synced together with timecode,
Right.
with ProRes RAW, right? Technically,
So the Ninja TX GO will shoot up to 6K ProRes RAW, right? If you want to the higher 8K things like that, you'll need the Ninja TX.
which is basically the almost identical with the exception of the 8K and the SDI.
It's the 8K, the SDI, and actually the Bluetooth built in.
Oh, how cool is that? And from what I remember, it's not extremely much more money to go to this one. But if you don't need any of that,
The Ninja TX is $999 and the Ninja TX GO is $799.
yeah, so not very much. And if you ever think you're going to be upgrading to a camera with SDI, it's probably good to go with the TX. But it really is amazing that Atomos came out with this system, which is perfect for smaller cameras like we have. And for me, the exciting also is for the back of my rig, having a really nice big monitor to do EL zone system, which I'm, as John and everybody knows, I'm really a huge advocate of this. This is also amazing for just having, if you're doing multiple things on your rig, which I'll show, this is really good for me to do quick EL zone system. And then on the side of the camera, I would have the Ninja TX to get the high resolution from a camera like the FX6 or et cetera. But this is something amazing if you,
Yeah.
this is so important to me because I'm all in with Atomos. It's really good that they're coming out with products before the end of the year, and they just came out with a few that are amazing. So I just wanted to thank John again.
Thanks, Walter. Our engineering team is amazing. Big shout out to Atomos engineers. And we're always trying to improve and come out with new firmware and new features.
So that's been Walter Van Dusen, day 2 of the ProFusion Expo.
Thanks, man. Appreciate you.
That wasn't bad, right?
Yeah. And cut it all in, right?
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
that was sweet.
Yeah.